Why get a fall home maintenance inspection? A fall home inspection helps buyers uncover seasonal issues before winter hits. Inspectors can spot roof, gutter, and drainage problems, check heating systems for efficiency, and identify insulation gaps that contribute to higher energy costs. Plumbing and electrical systems also get a closer look, reducing risks of frozen pipes or overloaded circuits. Beyond protecting safety and comfort, a fall inspection provides negotiating power, saving buyers money and preventing costly surprises after move-in. Schedule your fall home inspection today to protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind this winter.